Here is the question. State which of the following are surds. Justify the answer. Justify means we have to give the reason why these are surds and why these are not the surds. First example, cube root of 51. Yesterday we have seen the definition, and according to the definition, we are checking the three conditions. 3 is a natural number. This radicand is 51 and 51 is a positive rational number. And this cube root of 51 is irrational number because 51 is not the cube of any number. That's why we do not get the cube root of that. That's why it is irrational number. Three conditions are passed so that cube root of 51 is a surd. Now second example. Fifth root of 81. This order, that means 5 is the order of the surd. 5 is a natural number. Radicand is 81. 81 is a positive rational number. And fifth root of 81 is irrational number. 81 is not the fifth power of any number. That's why we do not get the fifth root of 81. That's why it is irrational number. Three conditions are passed. That's why fifth root of 81 is a surd. Square root of 256. In this V-shaped part of the radical sign, the number is not given. That means it is 2. It is square root. Nothing means 2. 2 is the order of the surd. 2 is a natural number. Radicand is 256 is a positive rational number. And this square root of 256 is not a irrational number. It is not irrational number because 256 is the square of a number and that number is 16. That means square root of 256 we get 16. That's why it is rational. It is not irrational number. First two conditions are passed, but it is failed in the third condition. That's why square root of 256 is not a surd. Now fourth example, cube root of 64. This 3 is a natural number. Radicand is 64. 64 is a positive rational number. Cube root of 64 is not an irrational number because 64 is cube of 4. That means if we find out the cube root of 64, we get the answer 4. That means cube root of 64 is 4 and 4 is a rational number. It is not an irrational number. So that cube root of 64 is not a surd. Now the fourth example. Fifth example. Square root of 22 upon 7. 2 is a natural number. When there is nothing, there is 2. We have seen in the previous example. 2 is a natural number. The radicand 22 upon 7 is a positive rational number. And this complete number, square root of 22 upon 7 is irrational number. It is not the square of any number. We do not get the square root of 22 upon 7. That's why it is irrational. Three conditions are passed. Therefore, square root of 22 upon 7 is a surd. Now I am giving you some examples. Identify these are surds or not the surds. Write down with reason. Now another question is here. State the order of the surds given below. This is very easy topic. Now I am showing you the first example, fifth root of 11. The number, natural number, which is written in the V-shaped part of this radical sign, This is called as the order of the surd. And we can write down in this way, order of the surd is equal to 5. That means just we have to state here the order of the surd. Now we learn these examples in the tabular form. Surds I have given here to the left and write down the order of the surds against it. First example, cube root of 7. The order is 3. Second, 5 square root of 12. 5 is in multiplication with this surd. The order of the surd, nothing means it is square root, that means nothing means it is 2. Third, fourth root of 10, and the order of the surd is 4. Square root of 39, nothing means the order is 2. Cube root of 18, the order of the surd is 3. Now, sixth example, square root of cube root of 11. Now, do the product of the order of the surds, and that is the order of the surd. The order of the first surd is 2. Order of the second surd is 3. Write down both in multiplication. And 2 3s are 6, means 6 is the order of this surd. 7. Ninth root of 13. Order of the surd is 9. Fifth root of 16. Order of the surd is 5. Fifth root of cube root of 8. Do the product of the order of these two surds, and it is the combined order of the surd. 5 3s are 15, and 15 is the order of the surd. Square root of 17, that means 2 is the order of the surd.